Well, unfortunately, the time has come. I got my plates. We've been running temporary tags on this, and in the state of Maryland, you don't need a front cover here or license plate if you have temporary tags. Unfortunately, now I have the regular tags, so I have to go ahead and put those on. So let's go get the front plate here. They attach the one in the back because that's required for everything, but the one in back is here in the trunk. And it's really just an adhesive, which I'm not thrilled about, but I have to do it. And there's some instructions on there. So let's go ahead and get this set up. But before we do anything with this, we need to take care of all that gunk. So all I have is a wet microfiber cloth. I'm gonna rub it all down, particularly the area that the license plate holder is going to go. Get it nice and cleaned up and make sure anything that could interfere with it or keep it dirty is out of there. And this is the last time that this car will look this way until I move to a different state and get to take it off. And then once that's all there, I'm gonna dry it off with just a dry microfiber cloth to make sure we get good adhesion. And even with all of that, there is one really tiny little scrape in there. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but there's definitely a little divot, so maybe the license plate will hold some protection. So if you take a look here, it comes with the screws to hold the license plate in. I'm gonna remove that for now, and then it gives you some instructions here. The essential idea is this top one you peel all the way off, and the bottom ones you peel part way off, or should I say the side ones. So then you can put it down, pull those pieces off, and get it stuck on there. Now, we're gonna take a look and see how to get this thing centered. Now, the easiest thing to do here is if you take a look, there's the grills and then there's the marks on here. So there's 5 of these little separations going, which makes it really easy to find the center. And then this thing here has 4. So you just basically line up the middle-ish area and slap it on there, and then your Tesla will never look as good again. And I'm just going to pull these off so they kind of line up with that. Then I can line the bottom up with the bottom of the car here and get everything set. So it's going to look something like that. And then I'm just going to pull that one off and push it on, hold it. Pull that one off, push it on and hold it. And just give it a few good pumps. And it's on there. I mean, that stuff's pretty sticky right off the bat. You shouldn't need to hold it. It's about 80 degrees out, so the adhesive should work really well, and it's nice and dry as well. And then the last piece of plastic that I'm going to remove from the car, all the new stuff came off, but just got to peel that off. And this is significantly more dirty than I thought it would be just from sitting on the back of the car for roughly 2,000 miles. And there it is. And I guess I left that sit in the sun for too long because there's definitely little marks of adhesive on there. I'll have to get some glue on to get rid of that so it's nice and shiny and looks good. But that's the last piece of plastic. Then this car is no longer brand new and it's totally ruined as far as the front goes.